A kitchen or bath renovation isn't just about cabinets, it's every detail. Flooring, lighting, tile, finishes, thoughtfully designed to work together. At Cyr Kitchen Bath, our designers bring over 130 years of combined experience to your project. We begin with a complimentary in-home measure, then meet with you one-on-one in one of our showrooms to finalize selections. Our in-house installation team completes the project while your designer oversees every step. Visit cyrkitchen.com to schedule your free design consultation today.